package! I got another package! But your channel can always make me smile. A present for Mochi! Ooh! Look at it, look at it, oh my god! I never had this thing and I'm super excited. Like,
No way.
yeah, I've never had it!
You never had a lemon?
You gotta choose the next one.
Me?
Yeah.
Sour Patch.
Sour Patch, Kwon's favorite candy. When I was in America, I usually had a Sour Patch watermelon shaped one. That was really sweet and really sour. As far as I remember, I had it over 10 years ago, so I don't know it. But I think I never had a Sour Patch Kids. Open it! Ooh, super colorful, super colorful. Oh my gosh, it smells super good. It's super like a popsicle sweet jelly smell. It's very similar to the Minion one, but I really like this one because I can smell the sourness. I really like it. And they comes with the 5 different color. I really like it. This one is actually more sour than a lemon head and less sweet, and that's what I like. This one tastes way better. I really like the blue raspberry flavor, and I really like how sour it is. It can go a little more crazier. Go crazier, make it more sour. I really like it. Ooh, it's raspberry. Oh, I really like the flavor. I don't know, I think it's just a by luck, but red one was way more sour than a blue one, and I really like it. Compared to the Minion one, Sour Patch is more elastic and bouncy, and I really like it, and it's less sticky. All different flavor goes together, orange, lemon, and apple, I think. And I really like how sour it is. 7.
Sure. That's too many!
No!
That's gross!
No!
We should just do one episode of you eating lemons.
Okay. If it is safe, when I reach 30k subscribers, I will eat 30 lemons to celebrate it. Next, I'm gonna try Trident. Am I in Cebu? Tropical as hell! So pineapple, and I really like the wrap. So cool and sexy. In Korea, before I went to America, all the gum were 5 or 6 pieces in a rectangular shape. And when I went to America, I saw first gum that has more than a 6. And I was like, oh my god, it's a box! So handy dandy. You can close it. I know this is weird that I'm getting excited for the gum package, but in Korea, once you open it, once you take out the one, there's a room for spaces. So it's keep bothering and moving around, and once you put it in the pocket, it just fell off, and I always hate it. But America made this, and when you make it box and put it in the pocket, it never make it weird shape. Okay, this is what it looked like. This is not what I expected. I mean, it's a pineapple, but more like a pineapple cocktail, like pineapple punch than a real pineapple fruit. And there's a little coconut taste, so it's like a creamy pineapple margarita, maybe something like that. Now I like it. Next one, Burst Bees. Look, sexy. I really like their logo and color. Why not? He can be sexy. Why not? Ooh.
I wonder if this is what she pictured when she sent you this. Ew, look at that.
What about?
Ew, what are you doing?
Ooh, I really like it. It's so burning. It's so spicy. Yeah. Spicy in my mouth.
I told you.
Okay. This is a weird feeling. Kinda, I wanna kiss.
What?
I wanna kiss to cool it down. So come here. When I have a date, I usually bring the Burst Beast. Today, I feel like I'm gonna have a kiss. I'm always prepared with the first bits.
Have you ever seen a commercial like that in your entire life?
Oh, wasn't it good?
What?
Don't you want to kiss the guy who has like a smooth...
Spicy lips.
No! Okay, don't you want to have a kiss with the guy who has little like shiny smooth lips?
Yeah, but yours are spicy and not shiny yet.
I guess no one want to sponsor me now. It sounds super weird, but you know, in Korea, it's like right now it's super hot, like really hot. When I go outside, I'm sweating, but I'll feel so cool. Just my lips, but.
Maybe you should put it all over. So let's find out.
Oh, it's getting cooler. 저는 뜨거. No, I can't do it.
Why?
I don't know.
You can tell how cheesy it is when it's in
Yeah.
Korean, but you can't tell in English.
Yeah. 저는 뜨거운 태양이 무섭지 않아요. 왜냐고요? 저에게는 버스트 비스가 있으니까. 태양이 얼마나 뜨겁든지 버스트 비스트만 있으면 제 얼굴은 항상 시원합니까? 여러분도 한번 발라보세요. 버스트 비스트. This is actually like working. It's kind of cool. Oh, my face is spicy.
Can I try?
No, later.
It doesn't feel good?
No.
The truth came out.
Last but not least, man, right? I had too much candy. Brightening lemon mask. Apply after cleaning. Leave on 20 to 30 minutes before removing. So let's get ready for the mask. Ta-da! What do you guys think? Am I in the shop? Let me wash my face. Okay, this is what it looks like. Oh, I really like the smell. And make sure when you guys do the mask, get all the eggs from the package. Put it on your neck. That's what I learned from my mom. And if there's more, just put it on your skin. Don't waste any single juice.
You look so scary.
That's it for today's episode, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you guys enjoyed it, please hit the like button. That will help my channel a lot. Thank you again, Shanaed, for sending me the package, and I had so much fun, and I have so many snacks. I'm gonna have a movie night with all my favorite snacks. I'm gonna send you the pictures. Thank you so much. And everyone, please show your love to Shanaed. Rule number 2, when you're doing a mask, you should never smile. Once you smile, you will get wrinkled and look old, so you should never smile. So even if I don't smile, please understand me. What time is it? Time to announce 친구 of the week. The 친구 of the week is Shanaed. Thank you so much for everything, like every single thing. Oh, I didn't get to review this thing, but I'm gonna use this when I'm cooking so you can see it on the video. Thank you to all my Patreon, Mechanom, Krista, Sacrally, Nancy, Sam, Shanaed, Sandro, Bass, Spencer, Gia, Joy, Sue, Lexi, Mr. and Mrs. Gavin. Thank you so much for helping me to make better and bigger contents. See you next week. 안녕! When my brother comes back from the Daegu, I'm gonna let him try all this snack. He might say no, but I'm gonna put it on the Instagram, so make sure to follow me on Instagram. Oh, you're still watching and didn't press the like button. What are you doing? Now is the perfect time to like the button. No, I mean, press the like button. Press it! I should smile. Ooh, 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 ooh.